So I said, that was some smart business decision making.
Well, if that's it for today.
Oh no, it looks like there's one more item on the agenda.
Well, if we have to.
Oh, well, with all due respect, sir, we think we could save the company millions of dollars.
We do like money.
Okay. For the past 70 years, every single employee at the company has had one thing in common. They've been human. But what if you had employees who were something more?
Now, we know what you're thinking.
Is it robots?
No, it's not robots.
What we're talking about is birds.
Intriguing. Now, remind me again, what are birds?
Yes. Great question.
Yes. You see, birds are like dogs or cats, but with wings and can fly.
Oh, right, birds!
I think my wife Callista saw one recently.
Well, where can we hire some birds?
Oh, like who?
Big Bird.
Oh, can't fly.
Harry Bird?
Retired.
Bird Reynolds.
Lives in Hawaii. Anyway, we think we can save you a lot of money if you
Turn some current employees into birds.
We do like money.
But who? I'm a man. I won't be a bird.
Oh, thank you.
Well, sir, we were actually thinking that Linda and I, we could be your birds.
Majestic.
We think so too.
And this would be good for business.
Oh, well, for starters, we could perch on rival companies' windows and steal their secrets.
Ooh, secrets make me feel devilish. Good devilish.
And we can make the other companies jealous with our beautiful plumage.
Stealing company secrets and making them jealous with beauty? That's like killing two things with one stone.
But let's talk about the thing you really care about.
Yes.
Money.
We think this speaks for itself.
We do like money.
That's enough. I've heard enough. Make yourselves into birds. Partners.
Thank you
With
so much.
you two birds in the office, 2008 is going to be a wonderful year for Lehman Brothers.
Shortly after becoming birds, Mike and Linda invented subprime mortgage-backed securities. These assets proved toxic and nearly destroyed the economy. Never let your employees become birds.